Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit today?
Yeah, where should I start? My jacket is vintage. It's a vintage bomber that I got at the flea market. This is a baggy bag. I got this at City Hats in New York. I got these at a Woke Vintage. My pants are from a store called Cafe Forgot. And my
I love the
boots are
pants.
Bottega. Thank you.
And your boots are from where?
Bottega.
Love it. And can I get a close-up of your accessories as well? Love it, love it. What's your fashion inspiration?
I have a lot. Kate Moss in the 90s and like Winona Ryder.
Those are good ones. I
They're,
love
like,
that.
my basic.
Do you have a fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a while but you haven't been able to get your hands on it yet?
I'm just looking for a very good pair of white cowboy boots at the moment. That's what I'm on.
That's a staple piece. I love that. And one last question that's not very related to fashion, but if you could clone yourself right now, same age, same height, would you?
No.
And why?
That's terrifying.
Okay.
I don't want to see that.
Valid answer. And do you have an Instagram you like to give out?
Yeah, my Instagram is Emil.Premiu.
Thank you so much. Have a great night.
Thanks.
What's your name?
Hi, I'm Emily.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
Can you
to
tell
meet
me
you
about
too.
your outfit today?
Yes, I'm wearing this vintage bomber jacket, vintage snow pants.
Oh, so these are snow pants.
Yes, and then some Adidas shoes. This sweater I got like at the Union Square Market. This bag is from Philip Lim. That's about it.
Can I check out your accessories?
Yes.
Can I see the thumbs as well?
Yes.
Wow, I love all the
Thank you
chunky
so
rings.
much.
What's your fashion inspiration?
I don't really have one in particular. I just like scrolling on Pinterest and like finding some pictures that speak to me, and like I really like wearing like lots of leather and like baggy jeans and everything.
I love that, nice and comfortable.
Yes.
Do you have an item that you've had your eyes on for a while but you haven't been able to get your hands on it just yet?
There are a pair of like Rick Owens Chelsea boots, and they're so beautiful, and I definitely want them to be like my next purchase. So that's kind of it. Yeah.
Awesome. And if you could clone yourself right now, same age, same height, same everything, would you?
What would I do?
No, if you could clone yourself, would
Oh.
you?
I don't think so.
And why is that?
I don't know. That would feel very bizarre, very out of place. I don't know how I feel about that.
That's very valid. Thank you so much. Have a great night. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Dev.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit today?
Oh, this is actually pretty simple monochromatic outfit. My pants are from Uniqlo. My sweatshirt is from Primark. My oversized trench is from ASOS. The bag is Prada, and my sneakers are Louis Vuitton.
Oh, these are Louis. Ooh, and the earrings. Let
The
me.
earrings are also Louis too. I forgot I had these
I
on.
love that.
And bracelets are Hermes and
Can I get
Fendi.
Ooh, can I get a close up on your rings as
Oh,
well?
of course, yeah. The rings are Fendi and Gucci.
Oh my god, you look amazing.
Thank
I
you
love
so
this
much.
monochromatic outfit.
Thank you.
What's your fashion inspiration?
What is I love monochromatic looks because they're just the easiest to put together and they stand out. So as long as it's like the same color or like a similar shade, and I put it on. I usually dress up, but I just wanted to do something, you know,
This is
comfortable today.
so aesthetic
I
and
call
so
this look laid back
appealing
luxury.
to the eye because yes, it looks so high end and so put together with all of the colors matching, the golds and the creams, and it was and you're just telling me how effortless it was for you. So
Yes,
that's
it was.
amazing.
Thank you.
And,
And affordable too.
nice. And what's your Instagram?
I am Walk with Dev Walker on every platform.
Thank you so
Instagram,
much. Have a
TikTok,
beautiful
Pinterest.
night.
Thank you. You too.
Hi, what's your name? 40?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit today?
I went for like a Rockstar fit, so the spikes, the big shoes,
Where are your sneakers from?
Margiela.
They are fire. And
you.
where are your jeans from?
Levi's 501, I made them.
Oh, you made them.
Yeah.
That's amazing. And where's your jacket from?
Thrifted.
Can I see the back of it? Oh, that's fire. And we already know where the hat's from.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I love it. I love it. And where are your shades from?
Oh, damn, what did I think I bought them off the street, actually.
That's
Yeah.
what's up. And what's your fashion inspiration?
I don't know, just to be different.
I like that.
Just to create, that's it.
And do you have a fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a while, but you haven't been able to get your hands on it just yet?
Not really.
Do you just get it as you go?
Yeah, get it as you go. That's it.
And one last question. It's not really fashion related, but if you could clone yourself right now, same age, same height, same everything, would you?
Nah.
And why is that?
Just cause, I mean.
You like being the one and
yeah,
only?
what I've been through, so it's history, so that's it.
All right. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Tia.
You look amazing.
Thank you.
Can you please tell me about your outfit today?
Okay, so my leather jacket is vintage, but my friend painted on it. My skirt is vintage as well. It was actually a dress, and I revamped it into like a high-waisted skirt.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
Yep, and then Steve Madden platforms and a vintage bag. And a
I
vintage
love
ring.
that. Oh my gosh. I would never have thought that this is vintage.
Yep.
I want to get some details on
Okay.
your jacket real quick. It is so dope. You definitely stand out. So many people are just constantly wearing black, so it's really awesome to see the pop of color. What's your fashion inspiration?
I love vintage. I actually sell vintage. I have my own boutique. It's called Tia Couture. And my inspo, I'm really feeling the like 80s, 90s right now. So I'm really inspired by
I
that.
love that. Is your Instagram Tia Couture?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. I'll plug you in. And I wanted to ask you, do you have a fashion item that you've had your eye on for a while, but you haven't been able to get your hands on it just yet?
I just talked about the 90s John Galliano newsprint slip dress. If I could get one of those, yeah.
Okay, well, I'll send you best of luck with that. Thank you so much. I hope you
you.
enjoy the rest of your day.
You too.
What's your name?
Sneak peeks with Josh. One and only, I do sneaker reviews. As you guys
Sneaker
know.
reviews on YouTube.
Sneaker reviews on YouTube. as
What's
well
your
as
YouTube
battles.
name?
Sneak peeks with Josh Rich. That sneak is, well, sneaks, and then peak is as a mountain peak, P-E-A-K, with Josh Rich. But
Got
as you
it.
see today, I'm wearing thrifted varsity jacket I picked up, and then under I have on a classic Stussy hoodie, as you see.
Yes.
Pretty calm Travis Scott t-shirt, Travis Scott Fortnite merch.
Heck yeah.
So that was pretty much, and plain black jeans, Flint 7s, and this is just me getting ready to go to work.
Okay, so what's your fashion inspiration?
I go with what's comfortable. What's comfortable, what you like, try to be different. I also don't like going with I see everybody else wearing.
Right.
So I pretty much like being different, trying
And-
to stand out aside from others.
And do you have a fashion item that you've had your eye on for a while, but you haven't been able to get your hands on it just yet?
It's actually my sneaker grail I've been looking for the longest now. It's some Jordan 9s, the olive colorway. It's black and olive green, and it has like a slight red piece on there. So
Nice.
that's definitely
Well,
one
I
I've
hope
been on
you
the search
definitely
for.
find them.
No, thank
And one
you.
last question. It's not really fashion related, but if you could clone yourself right now, same height, same age, same everything, would you?
I definitely would.
And why is
I
that?
would.
Why is that?
Just to be in two places at once.
There you go.
Two
That's
places
what's
at
up.
once, and to let people see me at two different modes as well.
There you go. And then you could have him try on all the sneakers while you
he could be out
record.
doing sneakers and partying. I'll be over here probably just networking and chilling.
There you go. There you
But
go.
I'll definitely clone myself.
That's what's up.
Sure.
Well, thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you.
Have a
I
great night.
appreciate it.
What's your name?
My name is LJ.
Nice to meet you. Can you please tell me about your outfit today?
Right now, I'm wearing some Old Saint jeans, some Rick Owens.
Yes, I peeped the Rick Owens.
Yes. And I got this jacket from a store in Soho called Fashionable, and they make great pieces. This was supposed to be a one-on-one, but he had made this piece in a different color, and I just got on a plain unique little hoodie.
So
That's
this
it.
is the only one in blue.
Yeah, this is the only one in blue that he did.
And you were telling me you were trying to get another one?
Yeah,
In what color?
I'm trying to get one in pink.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that would be fire. Teddy bear vibes.
I'm trying to get the pink one. I'm trying to get red. I'm trying to get different colors.
Yeah, I like it. And what's your fashion inspiration?
My fashion inspiration is like, I ain't gonna lie, my father, he's a stylist. So I'm trying to be like I'm trying to take over my father's footsteps and become a stylist too, just like him.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it's just so much going on. Like, I got into the fashion during like, how long ago I got into fashion? Like 2018, I really got into the fashion, even though like back then I had stuff, but like I wasn't like really putting it together.
You
right
weren't really
well.
trying? Okay,
Yeah, like, I wasn't
gotcha.
really trying. Now it's like I'm trying because like my father, he wants me to do better, and I want to do better for myself.
There you go. I love that. So I wanted to ask you, do you have a fashion item that you had your eyes on for a while, but you haven't been able to get your hands on it just yet?
Dang. Let me see. I am trying to get my hands on them UN Nikes that just came out. That's one thing that's been on my eye.
There you go. And
that's
tell me about your ring. We didn't even talk about your
My ring?
accessories. Yes, where's this from?
It says, actually, my grandmother had gave me this ring before she passed.
Oh, I love that. That's an heirloom. So beautiful.
So I don't even take it off. I just leave it on, go to sleep with it on.
Same with the ring that my mom gave me.
I do
yes.
everything with this ring on.
Yes. And one last question. It's not really related to fashion, but I wanted to ask, if you could clone yourself right now, same age, same height, same everything, would you?
Yeah.
And why is
not?
that? There you
Why
go.
not?
Okay,
Yeah.
good,
I
good
would love
answer.
that. I would actually love that.
See, I really vibe with the people who say yes, because some people say no. That's weird. What the heck? And I'm the type that would say yes, and like me and this other girl.
It's not weird. Like
Right, me and this other girl were vibing so hard because I had asked her, if you could clone yourself, would you? And I said, why? And she said, so they could be my lover. And I was like, that's exactly what I would say.
Nah.
But I know
look,
you have different ideas.
I'm not gonna look. I could be here. My clone could be all the way in a whole different country somewhere.
Exactly. There you go.
We could be.
You get stuff done.
We could be together and just say we twins and just.
Yeah, there you go. I've always
that's it.
wanted a twin.
Like,
So
I
yeah.
don't mind. Like.
So do you have an Instagram you'd like to give out?
Yeah, my Instagram is Mr. Love me _ like you hate me.
Thank you so much. Have a great night. What's your name?
My name is Razaki. How are you?
I'm good. Can you tell me about your outfit today?
Yeah, why not? This is a fabric from Africa, from Benin, West Africa. I make them. I'm a tailor. This jacket is an old vintage jacket that I found on a thrift store. I dyed it and it turned out purple. You know, I don't have any purple in my closet, so I was like, why not?
Nice. Purple's my favorite color. So what's your Instagram, since you say you make the clothes?
So it's Razaki, Razaki.
Thank you so much. And I wanted to ask you, what's your fashion inspiration?
I would say Africa, colorful Africa.
Yes,
You know,
I love
just being
that.
brightness in the world.
Absolutely. And I have another question, not very related to fashion, but if you could clone yourself right now, same age, same height, would you?
Clone myself?
Yes.
No, not really.
And why is that?
You know, I am what I am.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You got it.
You look
Thank you,
awesome.
man.
I love the pants.
Appreciate it.
What's your name?
Hey, what's up? My name is Army Al, Army for short. I'm based in New York. So this outfit is basically like kind of like a monochromatic brown type of vibe. I was inspired by like Kanye West, Graduation. You know, the Netflix just came out. The documentary just came out. So I have this sweater. This is from ASOS.
I love
this
the
is
colors.
kinda The Telfar Uggs. The
Yes,
brown
with the
hat.
Telfar
Yeah, just something cute, calm. And my fashion inspiration is Angeline Talley.
And can I get a close-up of your earrings,
Yeah,
actually?
sure.
And is the other one the same?
Yes.
So cute. And can I
this-
see your rings? And where did you get your rings from?
So I work with a brand called Vitali. They're based out in Canada. So they send me jewelry every month and I just post.
And where are your shades from?
ASOS.
And I have a fashion question item. If do you have a fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a while, but you haven't been able to get your hands on it just yet?
Pierre Moss sculpt shoes. I have the Reeboks version, but I want the sculpts, and every time I try to get them, they be sold out. And a girl's not trying to pay $2,000 for no shoes.
Right.
So, yeah.
And do you have an Instagram you'd like to share?
Sure. My Instagram is Army, ARMY, Armiel in full, ARMIEL. But Army, if you type it in, I'm the only bitch at the top. So.
Thank you so much. Have a beautiful night. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Nayala. How are you doing?
Nice to meet you. Can you tell me about your outfit today?
Yeah, so it's like a mixture of black owned and casual business. We've got like the Telfar.
Yes. This is my first time seeing it in that color.
Yes, no, it's so cute. And it goes with everything. Like, it's really cute with the blue because it brings out the little blue moments, but you can also have it with green. It's a little bit greener. This is Hanifa, which is this black owned brand.
Yes.
Then an Instagram ad got me with these pants. These are Dolls Kill shoes. And then I'm just wearing, this is actually a Skims. This is Kim Kardashian Skims.
Ooh.
So yeah, Skims. And
the
then this
accessories?
jewelry is from a musician. Their name's Aroma. This is some jewelry that I've gotten from like different vintage markets, like some crystals and whatnot.
I love.
Some little banglets, very simple.
And what's your fashion inspiration?
I would say it's just Black culture and just the array of it.
Mm-hmm.
Like I love 90s fashion specifically. Right now you can't really see that, like, because this is more of like we're in the city and we're having a moment.
Mm-hmm.
But I would say like 90s fashion specifically, like I really love like Aaliyah, Mary J, all of that like tomboyish, fluid clothing and like aesthetic.
I love that. And do you have a fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a while?
I really want, what is that bag called? The Edas bag. It's like EDAS, it's Black owned brand. They have this really cute bag that's like, it's so cute. It comes in all these different colors. It's like a cute little octagon, like little trapezoid little shape. It's really cute. Like $400, $500.
Okay, I'll have to look that up.
Yeah, I want it in a specific color, but they keep selling out. So it's
I
sold
feel
out.
that. I keep trying to get a Telfar bag, but they keep selling out. When they came out with the lavender Telfar bag, I was like, I
want
need
that.
the lavender.
I want like a medium lavender.
Yes, that'd be so good. And my last question for both of you guys is not fashion related, but I asked everyone this. If you could clone yourself right now, same age, same height, same everything, would you?
Same age, same height.
If I could clone myself?
Yeah, so you would have suddenly a twin.
No, because it should be only one me.
Exactly.
That's what I was about to say. I was like, I feel like.
Okay,
I mean,
so you have
it
the
could
same
be cute
answer.
to have a twin. It could be cute to have a clone to dress them up so that I could. Right, so I
Yes.
could try on the clothes on them. But I would still want to be the bitch that's on the street.
Right.
Like, I want to be the one with Nayala as the name.
Sit down.
Right, correct.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No problem.